guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will see NXCAM tutorial, face milling with boundaries, planar profile, finish floor and finish walls. And we are explaining each and every step for CNC milling program.
Go for applications, go to manufacturing, create operations. Under mill planner, we will go for face milling with boundaries. Program. So we have not selected tool so far. We have to select MCS mill, workpiece, method. We will go for finishing method. This is face milling. Specify face boundaries. And tool, we will go for create new tool, retrieve tool from library, go to milling, take face mill indexable, carbide cutters. You can take it face mill 43 mm face mill. Tool axis, jetum axis. In this method, we will taking finishing method. We will not give any allowances for operations. Cut pattern, we will select zigzag method. Tool flap, and I am taking 50 to 60. 60 I am taking. The blank distance means the raw material. Blank height is already we defined 5 mm. I have to put 5 mm. Then depth of cut, I am going to take 1 mm per cut. And I will not give any stock material for flow. Go to cutting parameters. We will check it. In stock, there is no allowances, 0. By non-cutting moves, engage. We can engage the cutter by using ramp on shape or helical or plunge. Better we can go for helical or ramp on shape so that it will give tool length or the tool will not be broken. If you are using plunge, it may chance to broke. Retract, how we are engaging the tool, the same way it will retract. Third one is feeds and speeds. We are using, if you are using carbide cutters, you can go for 100 to 120 surface meter per minute. Here I am considering that optimistic 100. The feed per tooth automatically calculated 0.1237. The spindle speed is 505. Cut, you can put optimist cut 250 mm per minute. Feed rate. Here you can also edit the tool output. The tool number you can give it 1. You have to enter diameter in tool registers. Percentage of flat diameter 60. Blank distance 5 mm. We have checked each and everything. Now we will go for generate. By default, it has come crossways. Means it is taking in width directions. 3D dynamics. You can change the directions. If you want to take direction length, we can also make it length. First I am showing that crosswise. We can go for this cutting parameters. In this containment or staging. Here angle from x-axis 180, we go to put 90, so the direction will be changed. And the same thing here, extend to part outline, means we have selected the face area. Now it will extend to up to part. We go to generate. Now we will see by using zigzag method. It will first go and come back, and after it will come back, then it will travel from here to here, then it will take depth here. Each and every time the depth of cut is 1 mm, so it will remove total 5 mm material from top surface. Means by using face milling we remove 5 mm materials. We will click it first. Now face milling has been completed. You can see in between. Now we will go for create operations. We will go for planar mill program. We can make it program. Tool we have to select it. Work is already we defined. Again we will go for mill finish. Here we go to specify boundaries. This is my part boundaries. Then specify your floor. This is your floor. We are going to take material in outside profile. Make it 0. Then tool. We will select new tool. The diameter maybe 20 or 30 mm. We can consider 30. The length of the tool is 75 mm. The flute length is 50 mm. Here the tool number is 2. Already we have taken first number tool, face milling cutters. Now it is N mill. Tool axis, atom axis. We are not giving any material, so that we are putting, or the part stock is 00. Then we are not giving any part stock. The constant cutting we will give. The common depth you can give it 1 mm. The cutting parameters same. Here also we have to check it 00. Then cutting and cutting feeds and feeds. We are using this time high speed steel, means you can say 30 surface meter per minute. We took 0.393 feet per tooth, so the rpm will be 318. We have to rotate the cutter. Our revolution per minute is 318. You have to check it. You can give blank or not blank, not necessary. We will check it. Now we will check both face milling and planar profile. Face milling has been completed and side material also completed by using Planar method. Now we will go for taking or removing material from this packet. Again we go to create operations. Same option we will take it planar profile program tool we will select it. Workpiece already with geometry selected and again we will do for mill finish. Specify part boundary. We go to specify that one. Then floor. We go to say this is my floor means up to this depth we are going to take material. Tool we will go for tool. In this operation we can take 10 mm mills and the length is 75, flute length is 50 mm. Tool number you can indicate 3 because if you will go to post processor it will come 1 2 3. The material you can, it is tool material, we can consider accesses speed steel. Is finishing operations. The feed rate is 250, cut depth constant. I am going to give 1 mm depth. Cutting parameters, cutting non-cutting moves, feeds and speeds. Here we have to give 30 meter per minute. It is 0.13 feed per tooth, 250. Optimistic feed rate will be coming. So we have selected everything. We can go for generate.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you have any doubt, kindly let me know in comment section.